what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out Wiggins Hair. Here she is in all of her glory. We have this gorgeous, bouncy, juicy summertime curl. It's giving deep wave. Oh, it's so luscious. Look at that hairline. She looks so good. I've heard really good things about Wiggins, and so far she's looking amazing. This is a glueless unit, so this should be the easiest install ever. Let's see what we think. Here are all the beautiful goodies that Wiggins sent in my parcel. I love it when I get a few extra things, especially a hair cap. A wig cap is so essential, and they actually send these beautiful, really kind of like sheer HD wig caps, which these are my favorite types. So I got 2 of these in my parcel, along with a few extra free gifts that I will definitely be using for this install. Now the wig that I'm trying on today is the Wiggins Ready and Go 250% density, okay? This baby is full and thick. She's popping curly HD lace, and this is a lace front wig with medium length human hair curls. The cap construction is beautiful. I've noticed that right away. Now this is actually feeling like real HD lace. It is very common for some of these companies to send you fake HD lace, but you can tell when it's real because of how melted it is when you see that on the skin. You see how that just blends in? I don't have to do any tint. I don't have to do anything to it. Real HD lace should melt like this, okay? And one thing that I'm loving is the knots are bleached, which a lot of times these companies are not bleaching the knots. So Wiggins is looking really good. I'm loving that these knots are bleached. I'm loving how the hairline looks. I'm loving how tweezed. It's just looking beautiful, and I really can't wait to get her on. I'm gonna go ahead and pop my wig cap on. You guys are seeing my crazy looking hair right now. But I didn't do my hair today because I knew I was going to be doing this install. Now, usually I would go in with the lace tint on the inside of my wig, but I'm not going to do it because this lace looks so good, and I really want to make sure that, you know, she looks good without any extras, because essentially you should be able to put this wig on in the car. We have the beautiful band here that has the kind of no slip grip. This is key. So I love that we have that in there. And just going back to the cap construction for a second, this is really breathable, okay? We have this like airy fit. It looks very nicely constructed, and I love when you're getting that stretch in the cap. That's how I know it's going to be comfortable. Okay, now what I like about this is a lot of glueless wigs that I've tried recently don't have combs in them at the front anymore, and this one does, which is amazing because, to be honest, I cannot stand when my wig is slipping and sliding. So this is feeling really secure. Like, she's not gonna budge now. Like, I can already see her melting away. Oh my god. This unit looks really good, you guys. Wait till I style her up a bit. As you know, when you first put them on, you gotta zhuzh them into like how you feel like it will look best for you, right? Like, you gotta make the hair work for you. But these throw and go units are so convenient for me because sometimes I really don't have time to do my hair, and I'm so indecisive. I love switching up my hairstyle. And it's pretty much warm now, so I don't like to do too much with the hot comb, but I do like to just push it back at the front. I feel like that's key. This one actually already came kind of pushed back, so if you didn't have a hot comb, you could literally just let it be. I feel like with any wig, it's almost like a jump scare when you first put it on, so you really have to like play with it and just make it feel and look like it's your hair. Like, for example, I like having face trimming pieces in front of my face, so I made sure that I trimmed those and then defined them with the mousse. And now that's feeling like me. I feel like you could add like a little bit of a curly bang on this one. That would be so cute. But I'm gonna leave it like this for now because I don't want to mess with it too much since I just got it, you know? Now this is one of the most natural wigs that I own. She is so cute. Okay, moment of truth. I just re-wet the front a little bit because after hot combing it, I feel like it like got rid of some of the curls, but I am loving this full bouncy hair. I feel like it looks so good. So we're just gonna go ahead and take off this band. I let this sit for like a half hour or so, and oh my god, it's actually so hot today, so I'm dying. Like I could not wait to take this off. But you know, if you want your melt to look really good, then you got to sit with it for a minute. And this does look really good. It's so crazy because my hair actually used to look like this. I used to have curls just like this, and for whatever reason, after having 2 kids, my curls just like totally flattened and my hair is basically just like wavy now. It's so weird. I kind of really miss having curls like this because the volume is just so cute. Honestly, this wig looks extremely natural. Like nobody will not believe that this is your hair. Even when it comes to the melt looks really good. The lace blends excellently. Like the lace is so good. You saw all I did was put a little mousse and then band it up. I didn't put concealer on the part. I didn't really have to do anything to it. Let me just get in a little closer to show you one more time. Like that looks phenomenal. She's so full. The 250% density is really giving that. Like you do not have to worry about this one being thin. This is a full and thick unit. I think it would be so cute to style it with more of like a wet look. If you didn't want the volume, you could kind of slick it down and put a lot of gel in it and keep it like that wet look, like really juicy curl. But I personally love the volume. This is my first experience with Wiggins Hair, and they honestly have really sold me on this one. I'm so looking forward to trying more from this brand. Let me know what else you think I should try. If there's any other wigs you think that I really should get my hands on. I'm loving this one in particular. I think this is a really good value, absolutely beautiful. And if you're looking for like a summer style, something that's really like carefree and just pretty, giving it natural, then yeah, this is it. Huge shout out to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to check out my other series exposing the influencer treatment. We are definitely going to be maybe adding Wiggins to that list. I have to see if I should try more from them so we can see if like what I'm getting and what I order is really the same thing. I'm actually going to link that playlist here so you can go ahead and watch them. But yeah, I love this hair. I gotta go. Bye. Single on the body.